Hello kids, welcome to our adventure today. We're going to learn about amazing animals that don't have backbones, known as invertebrates. Let's start our adventure. Snails. Snails are small animals that carry a spiral-shaped home on their backs. Snails make their own shells through a process called biomineralization. Snails can be found in various environments, from ditches to deserts and even to the deep sea. Squids. Squids are sea creatures that have many arms circling their heads. They make their own shells and can emit light. Squids also have the ability to change the colour of their skin to communicate or camouflage from predators. Worms. Worms are long and thin animals that can be found in soil, freshwater and sea. Some worms live by digging tunnels in the soil, helping to improve soil structure and enrich the soil with nutrients. Leeches. Leeches are a type of worm that can suck blood. They have a suction device at the end of their head and tail. Leeches are also used in some medical therapies because they release substances that prevent blood clotting. Shrimps. Shrimps are aquatic animals that can be found in freshwater, brackish water and salt water. Shrimps have a pair of long antennas and a pair of pincers. Shrimp also become a favourite food for many people. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers are insects that can jump far with their strong hind legs. They are also known for their chirping sound made by rubbing their wings. That's some unique invertebrate animals. Hope you enjoy our adventure today and learn a lot about these magical animals. See you on our next adventure.